In the listening and speaking part, you'll watch an animated dialogue video and practice imitating the dialogue in various ways. This part proceeds in the order of listen to dialogue, listen and repeat, voice recording, role-playing, and quiz. First, click the number 1 button to watch the dialogue video. The menu button can be used to navigate to another page or end learning. There are 4 buttons in the lower right corner of the screen. These are the speaker button, subtitle button, video quality and speed control button, and full screen button. To watch the dialogue animation, click the play button in the lower left corner.
저는 보통 저녁에 집에서 쉬어요.
한국어를 배워요.
Turn on English subtitles if you find yourself having a hard time understanding the conversation.
한국어를 배워요.
몇 시부터 몇 시까지 수업이 있어요?
Once you understood the conversation, click the menu button to move on to the number 2 listen and repeat step. In the listening and repeating dialogue phase, listen to each sentence at a time and repeat the words immediately. First, listen to the sentence.
이리나 씨, 보통 저녁에 뭐해요?
And when it says, please repeat, try to speak the sentence with the pronunciation, intonation, and speed as same as you can.
한국어를 배워요.
한국어를 배워요.
After completing the repeating practice, click the menu button to go to the number 3 voice recording step. In the recording stage, you can compare your pronunciation with that of a native speaker using the recorder. First, turn on the recorder and read a sentence.
이리나 씨, 보통 저녁에
And listen to it.
이리나 씨, 보통 저녁에
Then click the green play button to the left of the sentence to listen to the native speaker's audio.
이리나 씨, 보통 저녁에 뭐해요?
How is it? Do you notice a difference in pronunciation or intonation?
한국어를 배워요.
If so, practice recording several times and comparing them until it sounds similar to the native speaker. Native speaker audio in this content reflects the average speaking speed of Koreans. So it is good to practice speaking based on this speed. Click on the blue play button to play audio for the entire conversation.
저녁에 뭐해요?
Then read through the dialogue at this pace.
저녁
If there is a part where you cannot keep up with the speed, press the blue pause button and then practice speaking several times for that section separately. If you want to read it again from the beginning, press the blue stop button and then press the play button
이리나
again.
씨, 보통 저녁에
How is
뭐해요?
it? Can you deliver each line quickly and accurately? If you use a recorder to objectively identify your weak areas and then keep trying to correct them, your Korean skills will improve quickly. Now, let's move on to the next step. Click the next button to go to the number 4, role playing. Then select the character you want to play. Play the video and speak the lines in the speech bubble according to the timing of your lines.
이리나 씨, 보통 저녁에 뭐해요?
한국어를 배워요.
If you want to play a different character, click the role-playing button from the menu button.
뭐 해요?
Now, let's move on to the next step. Click the menu button to move on to the number 5, quiz. There are 2 types of quizzes. First of all, there are OX quiz to check whether you have understood the conversation well. Read the question and click O if the question matches the conversation, or X if it doesn't. You will then have a correct answer to the question along with a corresponding dialogue. You can play the audio for conversation and listen to it. Then click the next button to move on to the next question. The second type of the quiz is fill-in speech bubble quiz. This is a quiz to see if you can ask or respond properly depending on the context of the conversation. You can fill in the blank space in the dialogue with proper vocabulary or expression card by dragging and dropping. How is it? Did you understand? If you have any additional questions, please contact the Q&A bulletin board in the cyber classroom or email us at 30daykorean@gmail.com. Now, let's start studying listening and speaking.